Ooh, good morning.
I'll be sure to get the $100,000 prize with this trick. You know, someone once told me this was the best way to give a cat a bath. Hey, Mom, I told you I was ready for dinner. Oh, you want a piece of me, eh? Oh, Mom, look at me. I'm a member of the Fantastic Four. Boom. This cat's had a little too much catnip. Dun-da-da, Super Kitty.
This public service announcement is brought to you by Mothers Against Drunk Kittens.
This is Jack. And this is Jack in the Box. Oh, come on, not again. Oh! Beware of the cat. Hey, hun, the toast is ready. Oh! Charge! Oh, I love you so much. Will someone please let the cat out of the bag?